KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 24th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather, as expected, much colder this morning. Will stay dry through the weekend. The next Arctic blast around Tuesday of next week. Big old trough developing over the eastern states, pulling down the colder air, pushing the rain out. Yeah, a few little snow flurries, snow showers in spots early this morning. That was the radar at 5:02. Now that lingering precipitation will be ending soon, and we will see the sunshine breaking through later today. Mostly mid-30s across the north-central part of the state with low 30s up over the Tennessee Valley. Birmingham at 35. Those were at 5 o'clock. 30 at Cullman and Haleyville. Most of the standing water is off the roads, evaporated overnight, but again, it's conceivable there might be an icy spot on a bridge somewhere, but generally speaking, things are fairly quiet travel-wise this morning. Around the nation, very cold up north, and it's going to get really cold up there next week. Coldest of the season, as you'll see in just a little bit. This morning, we have blizzard warnings for parts of Minnesota and the Dakotas. Winter weather advisories, parts of Iowa, around the Great Lakes, and up in Maine, and some flash flood issues for parts of the eastern states. But again, down here, things are quiet. We do note a marginal risk of severe storms today for eastern North Carolina, parts of central Florida, but really no chance of any thunder for Alabama for the next week or so. In fact, really not much precipitation, which we'll take that break. This is it, the precipitation for the next 7 days. The west is pretty quiet. And look at that. Alabama amounts generally under a quarter of an inch everywhere. And the next chance of anything will be Tuesday. And, of course, the question is, could there be a snowflake or two with that feature? And we'll talk about that as we go. So this is the GFS, the 06C run at noon today. Deep long wave trough over the east, and the sky will clear today. After some morning clouds, the sky becoming partly to mostly sunny, the high in the 40s, with a pretty good northwest breeze. Tomorrow, we start the day in the 20s. Got a new surge of colder air coming in. The high will be in the low 40s. The sky will be sunny. We should mention there is going to be a dry front in here late tonight, and I say dry. It's conceivable somebody in the middle of the night might report a snowflake or two, but no issue. But again, tomorrow, cold and dry, mostly sunny, low 40s. Saturday morning is going to be cold. We'll see lows between 20 and 25, but we warm up nicely. The high Saturday afternoon between 50 and 55 with a good deal of sunshine. Sunday, a clipper passes north of the state. That might squeeze out some light rain over Tennessee. We're leaving it dry for Alabama. Partially sunny with a high in the mid-50s for most communities. Let's go to Monday. We'll be in the upper 50s, and again, the day will be dry. We note the next clipper north of the state. And then Tuesday, the clipper comes down in here with the chance of some light precipitation. And the question is, could that be a little light rain? Could that be a little light snow? And that's Tuesday of next week. This is Thursday. Obviously, it's too early to really be specific on this. And again, with clippers, they're typically features that don't have a lot of moisture to work with. And that might be a little overdone there. Let's look at the European, and it's much drier on Tuesday. Still, it shows the chance of some light rain or light snow, but I think that's probably the case, and that's what we're going to mention at this point. Tuesday, cloudy, colder, some light rain or light snow. With temperatures falling, I think we could fall into the 30s very easily during the day. But just something to watch for now. Once we get within about 72 hours, you get fairly high confidence on the chain of events. But clearly, it's going to turn colder. I think we'll see falling temperatures, some light rain, maybe some light snow. And wow, look at Wednesday of next week. The old polar vortex sitting over Michigan. That's a displacement there, and that's going to be very cold for our friends up there. This is Wednesday of next week, and we look to be dry. Partly sunny, highs probably 35 to 40 with a pretty good north breeze. But look at the anomalies up north: Chicago, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Des Moines, Milwaukee, Indianapolis. Some of those places might struggle to reach 0 during the day. That's pretty tough. Thursday of next week, we'll start the day in the 20s, maybe teens for the colder pockets. And again, I think the high only in the 30s as that cold air settles in here. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 2nd of February. A zonal flow, and that should be warmer. We're still dry. Here are the numbers coming off the European ensemble. See the colder air today and tomorrow with highs in the 40s. We head back up to the 50s this weekend and then Monday, and then the next pop of cold air comes in for the middle part of next week, and then we warm back up in the 50s out there toward the 4th through the 7th of February. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.